Today's video is going to show you how to program your key fob to hold your seat setting if you have memory seats in your car. Follow along and I will show you how.
Here's where you can set your seat. This will move forward and back. You can move the back, and then you also got lumbar support. So to set your memory seat, you get in the car, put your seat where you want it. You can raise it, you can lower it, do what makes you comfortable driving. And then you also set your side mirrors. You just turn it to the one you want to adjust, and then you can turn it, get it to where you want it, and then do the other one, and that's set. Now, what you want to do is you're going to push and hold the set button and the unlock button. And you heard those chirps, hopefully that came through. And now, when I get in the car with this key fob, my seat setting will save. So hold on, I gotta make a different video. So you see where the seat is. I left the window open so you could see it. When I come up with the key fob that I just programmed and I grab the handle, as soon as I grab the handle, you see the seat is moving into the position where I programmed it. Pretty cool.